In mathematics, a Salem number is a real algebraic integer alpha greater than 1 whose conjugate roots all have absolute value no greater than 1, and at least one of which has absolute value exactly 1. Salem numbers are of interest in Diophantine approximation and harmonic analysis. They are named after Raphael Salem. Properties. Because it has a root of absolute value 1, the minimal polynomial for a Salem number must be reciprocal. This implies that 1, alpha is also a root, and that all other roots have absolute value exactly 1. As a consequence, alpha must be a unit in the ring of algebraic integers, being of norm 1. Every Salem number is a parent number. Relation with Pictet-Vijayaraghavan numbers. The smallest known Salem number is the largest real root of Lamers' polynomial, which is about x equals 1.17628. It is conjectured that it is indeed the smallest Salem number, and the smallest possible Mahler measure of an irreducible non-cyclotomic polynomial. Lamers' polynomial is a factor of the shorter 12th degree polynomial. All 12 roots of which satisfy the relation Salem numbers can be constructed from Pictet-Vijayaraghavan numbers. To recall, the smallest of the latter is the unique real root of the cubic polynomial, known as the plastic number and approximately equal to 1.324718. This can be used to generate a family of Salem numbers including the smallest one found so far. The general approach is to take the minimal polynomial p of a Pictet-Vijayaraghavan number and its reciprocal polynomial p*, and solve the equation for integral n above a bound, subtracting one side from the other, factoring, and disregarding trivial factors will then yield the minimal polynomial of certain Salem numbers. For example, using the negative case of the above, then for n equals 8, this factors as, where the desic is Lamers' polynomial. Using higher n will yield a family with a root approaching the plastic number. This can be better understood by taking nth roots of both sides, so as n goes higher x will approach the solution of x3 minus x minus 1 equals 0. If the positive case is used, then x approaches the plastic number from the opposite direction. Using the minimal polynomial of the next smallest Pictet-Vijayaraghavan number gives, which for n equals 7 factors as a desic not generated in the previous and has the root x equals 1.216391, which is the fifth smallest known Salem number. As n infinity, this family in turn tends towards the larger real root of x4 minus x3 minus 1 equals 0.